Colonel Albert H Pfeiffer, the formidable figure in the American West.
Hello, my name is Colonel Albert H Pfeiffer. I was a scout for Kit Carson. In 1863, I was bathing with my wife and about 20 others at the hot springs on the Rio Grande. A raiding band of Mescalero Apache attacked us, seriously wounded me, an arrow passed completely through my body. They kidnapped my Navajo wife and daughter, and eventually killed both of them. You can imagine how pissed I was. That event fueled my lifelong vendetta against the Apache. When I ventured into Apache territory for months at a time, I had my own pack of wolves accompany me. I fed them the remains of victims. They were well fed. They called me the Apache Killer. I was friends with a Navajo and an honorary Ute tribal member. The Ute Indians adopted me and called me Tata Pfeiffer, or Father Pfeiffer. As a Ute Indian agent, I was involved in nude combat against a Navajo warrior to settle a dispute over Pagosa Hot Springs. When the Navajo warrior saw all my battle scars, he conceded, "Nothing can kill this man." I died in 1881 when I was 59. I'm buried on my homestead near the Rio Grande. My grave is between Del Norte and South Fork, Colorado on North River Road, west of County Road 18.